there to there, you have to just log in first. Then from here to here means private to public to private. Then from here onwards, you have what you have to do. You just go through it. Okay, in the Ireland region, they just message me why. Huh. So I already make this before so many times. That's why I just make it as a hazy right now because I also don't have that much time. I don't know is it I will complete the project or not. Why not? Okay, I'll try to do the as fast as possible. But okay, you have to just understood. So see here. So that's the laptop over here. Okay, from that laptop, I already did before that how to connect to this data DB server. So uh, through the public subnet. Okay. So public subnet means from the Bastion server or the jump server. First, I'll just connect with the jump server. I also put a video over there. I'll just put it one more time in my like in the group Devops group. If anyone wants to refer that, you can. So yeah, after that, today's project is that okay. From this, I already did before. Okay, but from here, I have to connect. It is one more VPC over there, but it is in another region means if it is take is the Mumbai region, it is have the access of Ireland region. So in the Ireland region, there is a there is a database connection over here. Okay, so how to connect with this database privately? Because there is I just took right there is no public subnet over there in this VPC. There is only private subnet over there. So how we connect from private subnet database to direct with the private subnet database over there? So that's the project that you have to do today. That's the one concept we have to use that using the VPC pairing over here. So how you use all those things. So for that, I'll just also make this all project. Like what happened is that okay, here, if you do the manual things, then you have to do like manually, like first launch one VPC over there manually. I told you it is take more than 10 minutes or 7 minutes. We're so pro in this. Then after it will take 7 minutes after launching one VPC over there, then I have to launch one more VPC in Ireland region. Then I have to launch two EC2 instance over here, one EC2 instance over here. Then all those things you would do manually. The main thing is taking so much time. So that's why I'll take help of what cloud formation over here. You already know that cloud formation is a infrastructure tool that is using for infrastructure development in AWS services. Like if you wanted to launch 7 EC2 instance at once, so you can just write a code in CloudFormation. There is a code writing in CloudFormation in two languages mainly. First is YML, IML, and for second is JSON. Uh, বলো কি দেখো না কখন পড়ে দেখছি পড়াচ্ছি. Yeah. So see, the two language you can write it. First is YAML and second is JSON. So you're gonna go with the YAML because it is more than easy because we already did the Ansible before. So in the Ansible also you write the YAML language, so it is easy for you to understood the YAML language. So you're gonna go with the YAML. Uh, you know, bit, right? Okay. So yeah, that's how you have to do with the help of the cloud formation. So in a cloud formation, guys, what you have to do, you have to write the ML language. So I just show you a overview how this look like VPC setup. I'll just go with that. See over here. So there is a 7 components over here in EML. अरे यार, they are just calling me. हेलो। अरे मेरे को 5 मिनट दे, मैं चलो कहा तब तक। हाँ ठीक है। हाँ जब आएगा मेरे घर के नीचे बात कर लेना। हाँ ओके। हाँ ठीक है चलो। मैं मैसेज करके बोल देता हूँ ठीक है। Done. See, over here. I just do all those things. I also turn off the notification right now. Yeah, see. So in a Maven, we have to make sorry in a what cloud formation. You have to make a templates over there, or you can make a stack after we just launching the template as a stack format. So what you have to write the template? What can template have? First, I'll just clear this those things. So in a template, there is a main thing that you have to put it over there. First is the version. It is common, like we already see in the JSON IAM policy role. While I just launch the IAM policy role, in that time also you'll see the version over there. And apart from the version, there is the separate thing over there. I just tell you right now. Yesterday I showed it also. So that's the things like descriptions, like it is still about the templates. Then second, third one is resources. Resources means how many types of resources you wanna put it over. Like that's the mandatory actually. That's you have to give to your templates. Without that, your template is doesn't mean anything. Okay. So that's why we just need to give the resource, because resource have the purpose to what you have to do in this template. Means here if you can see our task to launch a VPC over there. So I just name it as a resource. See why AML language means I told you there is a module. Then after module means states and all those things like this. Like no, those are not called the modules over here, but I'll just say as for understanding for you. So those are the called, like you can take it as a modules, then states and all. So the structure is same, and also here that you have to put the indentation. Means if you just do some space mistakes over here, that you can get error. I just take it from the Google over there, so that's why there is no issue with that. Yesterday also, but yeah, in this I didn't check it over there. Where is the issue is permanently? Like yeah, I'll check it after some time. So see, so there is a resource. What you have to do? My VPC. I just name it my VPC. I already know. You already know how what are the steps that we have to choose after, while creating the VPC. So my VPC type is AWS. That's the address of the VPC where it is got created. And the properties means slider. You have to give the slider of the VPC. Then after enable on the support true. Then enable the host name as a true. Then after tags are keys pair. Nothing but tags. That means I told you the key pair, key value and key pair. Then after public subnet. The structure of VPC I told you. What is the structure of VPC? VPC, internet gateway, public subnet, private subnet, then after NAT gateway, then after routing table. So see here that thing changing it. They are just is it my screen is got shared guys? Or is it sharing? Okay. So see. So yeah, public subnet over there. So public subnet, you already know what we need a public subnet. And then after it is create the private subnet, then after you it is creating the what I think internet gateway. Uh, yeah, internet gateway. See, internet gateway. Then after it is creating the what? It is attached the internet gateway with the VPC. Oh. After it is creating the public route table and the private route table and all. Okay, that's all we have in our VPC. And there is a one important part over there. There's the output section you can see over there. So what is mean by the output? Like we already know about the output, like whatever we just put, those are important important things are gonna come in output. But why we need the output over here? Our need is that K, while you need like we need our VPC ID, because in the future if you wanted to connect with the any RDS or something, like if any EC2 says if you wanted to connect it in that time we need our VPC ID. Then the public subnet ID over there, that's also important. Then private subnet ID also important. Internet gateway ID also get important. NAT gateway ID. So those are the IDs that we have to need in output. So in the future, if you wanted to accelerate our project, so we can do that. So that's a thing. What happened? Is there any issue? Okay. Yes, guys. Do you have any question? No, no. Why it is showing the like the notification to play with? So where we are? Yeah, over here. See, so output. That's why we need the output. Okay, and apart from that, you can see over here as a reference is a reference function over here. Reference function means before we created this, but we're gonna call here only, just like function. We created function before, but here we didn't make the function like parameter and all. So that's why we use refer this my VPC. Just take my VPC. So before I just take this my VPC, where my VPC from there it is taking something. Why? What it is taking? VPC ID it is taking. So from here, you just take the VPC ID from here. Then after you just take the reference of what? Public subnet. So it is going to public subnet. What is take a public subnet ID. So that's how the reference is working. Over here also you can see. Okay. So that's how it is all working. And now let's come into our today's class project. So how to do the project with the cloud formation. I can do the manually also, but manually it will take so much time, and also we're gonna know about the cloud formation. So why we just go with this manual way? I just show you the manual way. You have to do the manual way first of all. I just seriously, guys, if you didn't do those practicals before, then first you have to do them by manual way. Then after you go in a this like what I'm doing right now. But if you just think, okay, I already know the cloud formation and it is okay to go with the automating, then the if sometimes it is come the troubleshoot you can't do. Okay, so that's why. So just come over here, cloud formation. See, here we just create the stacks over here. So go in a standard stacks, upload our template files, choose the file, okay, and hold the file, VPC, VPC project. Let me check it once this one. What is our VPC project? Is that I'm making something over there? I forgot it. Uh, VPC project. Okay, okay. Yesterday already I make it over there. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Okay. Leave it. Yeah, I'll just take this file and then do the next. Okay. 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 Just give the stack name. Um, VPC setup. Okay. Then after this is to go next. Yeah, one thing I have forwarded today also. While you do the cloud formation, you have to give the all the permission to cloud formation, because while you create the VPC, you need give the permission to cloud formation. So you're gonna give the permission as administrator. We already make it before how to create those roles. You already know. So we just give this permission over here and see what it says. Stack failover options means if you're somewhere your code is getting error, so in that time, is your full code getting rolled back? Means whatever you just create the HTTP instance and all. Like now we didn't create. Like if you just put the internet gateway, and in the VPC section there is the issue is coming and VPC is not getting created. So while it is it's roll back the whole process, or you need only while it is getting wrong in this process, except this process, those all are getting executed. So we just go with the first, but in a production level, you have to go with this. Okay, and this is the option you need, and go in and next and submit, and just take it over here. You can check it over here. If any error is coming, just yesterday I'll show you one more error. Like this coming, I just get to know here there's a error coming from creating the VPC, creating the sorry not VPC, creating the ACT instance. Okay, launching the ACT instance over here. So yeah, so just take little bit. See, all those things are first VPC setup, then after is creating internet gateway, then after elastic IP, then after it is sorry creating process. What is creating is completed over here. Elastic IP internet gateway completion done. Okay, what it says. Yes, eventually consistency check. Yeah, okay, okay done. This is certainty. Okay, done. Okay, got it. See, so what it is doing right now? It is doing, you have to first create the internet gateway, then elastic IP. See, it is saying that creating in process progress. I think it is working on NAT gateway right now because NAT gateway is only one that is taking little bit of time to create. So we have to just see where is our process stuck over here. Uh, okay, it will take little bit of time. Hmm. So guys, after that, you is it you understood? Vinith, are you new here? Vinith Pandey, are you new here? Here you can see the timeline also, like when where it is got first created, which the files they are was created. See which file taking the more time. See, it is take so much time to create NAT gateway. It take actually, and I think it is completed, na? I think it should be completed. Yeah, yeah, completed. Now go in a VPC and let's see it is got. See before we have only the default one VPC. Okay, see. But right now if I just doing this, see our VPC got. Okay, okay. YouTube. See. So one more VPC is got created. After VPC you have to see internet gateway. Is it got created or not? Go in the internet gateway. Also it is got created. Also attached also with that our VPC. And now go in a public subnets. Let's see it is created or not. Public subnet. Yeah, public subnet, private subnet is got created over here. You go in a route tables. It is also get go in a local and this one NAT gateway. This is private subnet because this is all the traffic goes to the NAT gateway, and in a public subnet all the traffic goes in a internet gateway. If you can see over here, see internet gateway, and then after you have to see the NAT gateway over here. See in a NAT gateway, it is also got connected. If you just go in a monitoring security group, where is the security group over here? Elastic IPs also got created eventually. Yeah, I think three IPs are okay. It's not getting created. What happened? It is not getting created. Enjoy our climate time now. Enjoy. But in NAT gateway, we need our public Elastic IP, na? NAT gateway. Yeah, you already created in the VPC, na? Okay, just check it once. I think I just do somewhere mistakes over here. Yeah, this one already got created, na? Okay, okay, sorry, sorry. My mistake, my mistake, my mistake. This one. Actually, don't having the names. Actually, default there is the Elastic IPS got created for the PPCs, but yeah, here it is a new one. Okay, now let's go next. Uh, yeah, there's a net server. Also, route tables got created. Public route table, private route table. Okay, subnet association. Yeah, it has got subnet association. Private. And here's the public. Yeah, okay, all done, guys. Okay, now go next and launch EC2 instance. First is jump server we need. Let's go launch in a. Okay, before. Okay, let's do first this one. I did this one. Subnet we need 1A. This is a okay auto IP assign. Go with the where is this? Okay, refresh it once. না খাবো না বলছি না 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 আমি খাবো না মানে মজা করো না, আমি পরে খাবো বললাম তোমাকে yeah see my VPC we have to select this one then after it is we have to select the public IP public subnet because it is the jump server where you have to jump from public to private then existing sorry create yeah, create not created actually it is already okay security group we didn't create it over there okay just go EC2 instance have to create a security group because here I think there is no I just didn't create the security group over here. Just go SG, create a security group. I think those are the default one. Yeah, default one. New security group. Name it as a Mumbai SG. Okay. And give the description over here same. Choose the VPC is my VPC. Okay. Then after we need only the inbound rules. In inbound rules, you have to select SSH. IP is 22 automatically. My IP is selected over here and add rule. Do the all traffic over here to only a custom one means wow why I just didn't find this one in Mumbai BBC. Mumbai BBC, my BBC, not this one. SG. No, that's not default one over here. We don't need the default one. Okay, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. It's got created. Now let's come over here. Is there any yeah security group? Selected security group. Mumbai SG. And all rest of the things are see guys there is a new things are overcoming here in is3 we already know about the bucket but there is a new file system over here okay, I'll show you it does recently come like in 1 week I think so yeah wait, done just this is the instance Ah, Shri Ram, Shri Ram, now I have to create one more go in accents go in image launch mode like this. Mhm. What Hank? DVD server. Okay. Uh, just go. Okay, that's my VPC. That we're gonna choose private subnet, and it is disable. Then after why is it? Okay, here what we did before. Okay, somewhere I did little bit of mistakes. Hmm. Leave it, leave it. Now just go in a jump server, copy the details. Now connect MOBA external. Okay. Ah, yeah, connected. Just do connect over here. EC2/user. Oh, where is that Devops? Dev PM file. Yeah, got connected, I think. Yep. Just do sudo minus s. That's I told you that's the introduction command over here. Then after, see, if I just run this one directly, just go in a connection over here. SSL to connect from over here. Okay. It is not working. See, if I do yes, it's not getting the permit over here. So first what I have to do, I just put the DevOps PIM file over here. Okay. DevOps.pim. Okay. I just put our PIM file over here first to uh, is a PIM file. Mm, yeah, just open it. Copy this and paste it over here. Save it. Okay. Then after what to do? After that, you have to just give the permission. So for that, hmode 400 devops.pim. That's how I have to give the permission. After that, if we just do like this, see, it got automatically got created. Now where we are, we just check it over here. See those IP and see here. It's a DB server. We are in right now in DB server. See, we coming in a DB server right now. So that's how we already do what thing over here. We already did this. But right now, what you have to do? Now go to this. Okay. Now I have to go to this. But I did a little bit of problem over here. While I just create the VPC in a VPC setup. See, here I just give the slider 1.0. I didn't give this, but okay. Give me 1 minute. How to correct this? I'll mm, just make a one more. I just have an idea, but I have to just check it once. Just give me 1 minute. Mhm. One test. I just came. So what I'm thinking that uh, okay, just go first in Ireland region, then let's change. Then I have to go to the Ireland region right now. So I have to just go in a cloud formation, cloud formation, okay, and go to the Ireland, Ireland, Ireland. Where is Ireland? Over here. Yeah, we just come in Ireland session. See, but I just need little bit of change over here. I just thinking where I have to change. Just do change over here 169 to 168 giving over here. Okay, so 168 slider. See 0 0.0 and where one you have to give over 168.124 and the third one is be let's just give it over here also 168.2. Okay, slider should be changed. Okay, I just have the idea that here in a VPC I just give the 20 69 over here and 68 over here, but okay, no issue. Where I did mistake, I did mistake. Let's 6. I think there is no issue should be coming over here. I'll just change the slider ID, but let's change. Let's see. Okay, so how to save this? Control save, na? It's got save actually. I think. Let's check it once. Just done it. Notepad just now, and yeah, it got changed. No issue. Just go in a Ireland region. Ireland region we have create the stack standard, upload a temple, close the file over here, go in a section where VPC setup. I think this one. Yeah. Go next. What have we? Okay. Um, what have we give? Just give Ireland region only. Ireland region. Okay. Ireland. CF. Okay, you can give CF. Okay. Uh, this one. And rest of the things are getting same and do submit. Hmm. You only change the slider over here because as per the region the slider also got changed. So let's see it is got created or not. Uh, copy. See here manually I just did in a few minutes in a Mumbai region. Do all those things. And in this video I just did all those things in a 13 minutes. So that's the working of cloud formation. And meanwhile I just go in a EC2 instance over here in Ireland region because we need one DB server. Okay, so that's why we need one DB server over here. DB server, DB server, DB server, server DB, server DB, server DB. Go in a running instance running. Mhm. Okay, I just got the call from. I think they're coming in my house. No, 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 no. Okay, okay. So where I just launch a EC2 instance. What if it should be DB EC2 instance? No? Okay, first you have to create the IP now. That's as well. Okay, just creating the okay DB instance. It is Mumbai and it is IP. So go in an instance over here. A security group. Just create a security group. Create SG. Okay. Ireland SG. Okay. Uh, Just copy this one and select over here. Select. Okay, it's got created. Good, good, good. My VPC. You can change it my VPC to Ireland VPC. Where you have to change, you just go there in this. Okay, where is notepad? Leave it in a notepad. I'll just here also you just give SSH to my IP and all traffic, all traf all traffic goes to on IP. But here you have to just select. Okay, let's check it here once. Is it here or not? No, it is not showing. I don't know why. Leave it. I think it has got created. No? Let's check it. The work over here. Creation complete. Done, 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 done. And just create the security group. Then after go to the instance. Go in the instance level. If I just do launching instance, DB server, Ireland DB server, Ireland DB. Okay. Uh, Red Hat. Red Hat. Then after I just edit this one, selecting my VPC, private. Okay. Okay. Here we just okay. You have to delete. You can also delete the public subnet over here. Okay. In this VPC concept, it is disable and existing mm, security group and then security group, and then after all done. I think yeah, all done. Just launch this. Okay, keep your I didn't select it. Sorry, sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, we have to create a new key pair. Just create a new pair. It is Ireland key pair. Ireland key RSS. See, there is a two type of PPK we need where you connect with the putty. There is a putty gen. Is also tool we can connect with these also, but we don't need with that. This is the previous one. So you can, if you want, you can connect with the putty gen, and that's a PAM file that is connected with the mobile stream. So yeah, it is got connected. Yeah, Ireland keys and just select launched. Okay, done. Launch is done. Not no 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 no. Now I'll show you one thing. Okay, where is that our running instance? Yeah, running instance is done. See, so now come here. We already here in a DB server. Okay, so if you wanted to go directly with this DB server, you already know it is not going. But do the second times. How do you do it in DevOps? Okay, just go in a just give the Ireland over here. IR the name Ireland key na Ireland key dot pim. Is it should be like that? I think like this only. Ireland key dot also key is spelling is capital key dot pim. In this you have to just put it the key file means the pim file. Notepad just one. Select all. Copy this and put it over here. Rituraj, a class there in class tools. So then after we just need what? Remote 400 give the permission. Ireland key dot pem. Okay. Then now if we just run this one, I'll show you a magic. See the magic. The magic is that okay. Okay, just mm, boom, it is not working. See, now what do you have to do? The VPC pairing you have to do. Okay, so just go in a VPC routing. So where should the permission you have to give? Mumbai wants to connect with the Ireland DB server. So now we have to create the VPC pairing in Mumbai. Okay, because Mumbai wants to connect. So just like the IAM role. Okay, just creating the pairing name as a uh, Mumbai to okay Mumbai to আমার হবে কি না এখন একটু অলরেডি বন্ধ করে দেবো এটা হওয়ার পরে মুম্বাই টু আয়ারল্যান্ড yeah yeah Saurabh yeah tell me no VPC pairing is mandatory actually without VPC pairing we can't do anything see I just do the same thing over here see before only I just do the same thing but it is not working why because this VPC it is in another region not in the same region that's why it is happening yeah but if it is not in the same region we can't do this yeah, that's why Uh, so requester means who is the requester? We are the requester. So requester ID me and we can do in another account also. Means you have any account in another place you can do with this, but it is also my account. I just change the region over here. I just select the region here as Ireland. Just search it over here. Ireland. Yeah, this one. And VPC ID accepted. I just give the ID of the VPC. What's the VPC ID? Highland VPC ID means I have to go to the VPC over here first. VPC. Okay, see VPC ID also I will do over here. আস্তে আস্তে আওয়াজ আসছে Yeah, see your VPC ID. Uh, yeah, we just give the VPC ID and create pairing. See, request is goes to the Ireland part. So now we have to go in the in a VPC pairing, go in a pairing and see here pending request. We have to accept our request over here. So go accept request. VPC pairing is done. Okay. Now see one more. Uh, it is coming over. Now if it is working, isn't it? No. Why it is not connecting? See, there is a one more catch over here. We just connected over here, but is you notice one thing? While I just creating the SG group, means security group, that's the thing about the SD group. Okay, means SD group having the so much power. You will think that okay, it is just a small SD group. Not like that. See, in a SD group, what I did, I just do all those things. All traffic goes to the all IP address, but SSS goes to only my IP address. It is not working. So what? আরে আসতে কো কেমন করে যাবো আমি অলরেডি ক্লাস স্টার্ট করে দিয়েছি see so see over now what is the Ireland pairing? Yeah, see here it is only says we have to modify the route tables. So go and modify the route tables. So 1 minute also. This message. Hmm. Up to that, did you just remember in your mind? If you have any issue, then tell me. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Hmm. साक्षी को बोल आने नीचे मैं आ रहा हूँ बस 5 मिनट वॉशरूम में हूँ Hmm, 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 hmm. 2 minutes. Okay. Yes. Yeah, see. So what you have to do? See, here you have to change the route tables things. So go in a first in a Mumbai route tables. Mumbai route tables means route tables, and it is in private. Sorry, private route tables. You have to change only the private route tables things. So go in a edit routes. What you have to put over here? IP of VPC 192 point. What I just give it over here? Notepad. VPC setup. 192 168. Okay. 192 168 point. What I have to give here? See, anyone tell me? Anyone? What I have to give here? Is there zero point 0.1 I have to give or zero point 0.2? Or sorry, 1.20? Guys, here I have to give zero point 0.0 because it is all IP. Okay, that's why. It is just region I just set it over here. And 16 I think. No? I think 16. Just take it once. It is 16 or not? Yeah, it is 16 only. Yeah, 16. And now I'll just here pairing connection, and select the Mumbai pairing connection over here. And now save the connection. See, it is all done. Up to that, no issue. Done now, guys. See, in our route tables, we just edit the private IP. Why? Because our DB server is in private IP, so we need to change the private IP. We can also change the public IP that's not getting affected. Okay, that's why I just create the in a private route table. Already before we just put it to one routes. What route is before NAT gateway? Because we already know that all the traffic is goes to the in a private subnet is in NAT gateway. And second one, see here, while I just connect with our DB server in a private network, what happens is that okay, BPC pairing is done. Does BPC not recognize this in a route tables? I told you, whichever you just don't have the access in a route table in a VPC database. So that's why in this IP, I just select how much, like from while I'll just get the VPC pairing, the slider, I just give over here in a slider. See, I just give this address over here. This is a range of the VPC. So I just give this and I select the pairing connection because I already did pairing before. After connection, doing the pairing connection, from where I'll just do the pairing connection from the Mumbai. So it is having the ID pairing ID. This ID is in this. So I just add in my route table this one, and I have to do the same in a Ireland region. Okay, I just go and do the same in a Ireland region. See here, what I have to give in the Mumbai VPC, I'll just give the address of Ireland VPC. But in Ireland VPC, I'll just do the vice versa. Means in I just give in Ireland VPC, I just give the address of like range of Mumbai BBC. So that in that way they can know each other. Like okay, that's the slider I have to connect, and that's the range after I have to connect with that. So now go into VPC connection over Mumbai region, go in a private route table, go in a routes and create one more routes. Here what I have to give 198 point next 169 I think na 169.0.0 slash 16. I think this one. I did 169. This one only here. Select VPC pairing, VPC, sorry, pairing connection, and now select this one and save changes. See, done. What I have to did, I just want to say one more time that I just connect these VPC in a route tables, private route tables. I just said like give the address of Mumbai VPC in Ireland region and do the vice versa in a Mumbai region, Mumbai VPC. I just give the address of Ireland VPC's connection over the Mumbai VPC so they can know each other. Okay, with that. And also the VPC pairing is done. So right now, see. So how many things? Many things I just did, guys. Okay, if you just have any issue with this, any steps, tell me. Okay, because it is important. You have to do in a real life. If you just go the BBC and all. Okay. So see if I just do right now, okay, not like this. Delete this one and go in a Ireland section means history instance and go in a instance and okay, it's take a little time. It is in a island, no island. Okay, where it is on. Okay, now go in Ireland section. Now it should be connected. Okay, why it is taking that much time? Go in there, build a connection, or pay this one. Okay, then after just run it over here. Okay, this is to see, run and okay, it is not getting connected. Why? Okay, one more thing I this. Okay, if you want it, is it I just do this in the Mumbai region? I have to go there and go in a security group. Is it I change the security group over here? Okay, Mumbai is the inbound rule. Edit on module. Okay, here I just give one more SSH connection. I'll show you why custom. I just give here uh, what's the connection? 192, I think 192, 160, what? 8, na? 8? Yeah, 8 only, I think. Point zero, point zero slash 16. This one. Yeah, it is taking like 68. Yeah, this one. I just to save the in the Mumbai VPC. Mumbai specific done. Yeah, done it is. And do the same in Ireland, Ireland, uh, like security group. Okay, just go in a security group over there. I'll show you why. I told you everything. Okay, if you didn't understand, I'll show you. Go in the same two, and here I just put the SSH connection of Mumbai VPC. Okay, SSH. Go in SSH custom 192.169.0.0 slash 16. Yeah, this one. Yeah, done. And do the save. done, and yeah, all those things I think done. Now let's try once more time. Okay, now try one more time. It is working or not? No, it's not working. Why? Ireland key is not okay. Ireland key is not accessible. Okay, just do one more time. This one. What I have to do? First, go in a VI. Yeah, what's the key name? Key name should be starting through Ireland. Okay, just copy this one. Ireland key. The key is not for accessible. Uh, VI. It is small I or capital I? It is small. Small I. Okay, that's why it is not getting connected. Where is the tab? Tab means okay. Okay. You can now do this one more time. Yeah, it's have already, na? The key file. Yeah, it's already have. Okay, yeah. Just check it once. Copy this and okay. Leave it. Leave it. Island keys. We have to just do DD, not DD like escape. DD. Yeah, I know. 10 DD. 10 DD. Then I have to just put this one, copy and paste. Okay, escape, save this, and now ch mode 400 Ireland slash key dot pim. Sorry, pim. Yeah, it is done. I think it should be working right now. Which says warning identity file Ireland. It is take Y capital I. I'll just give the small I over there. No? What is happening? Okay. Ireland. No file directory over here. Okay. We'll do one thing. It is not getting this. In the Ireland case, or Ireland. Okay, try this from here. Or try this once. Means for instance, Mumbai. Just come over here. Yeah, connect. Listen to connect. Connect. Hmm. The same thing. SSS failure. Leave it. Leave it. Just try with this only. Okay. Just right. Right now we are in okay. We are probably in okay done. Just do one more thing over here. Now Ireland. Go in actions. Uh, launch template like this. Okay, just do one more thing that just do in a somewhere mistake in a keys. Okay, so just do dv1. Yeah, dv1. Red hat actually it is associated. Done. Just create one more keys over here. Okay. Game file key. Just give a name, a simple name. Devops1.pm. Okay. Devops1.pm. Yeah, it's got selected. My VPC, private subnet, disable, security group done, and yeah, the rest of the things are done. Just launch one more visiting instance. I think somewhere I just did mistake over here in a PM file. Because rest of the PM file it is working good. Hmm. Instance. Okay, I'll got call. Hmm. হ্যালো হ্যালো হ্যাঁ বল মা ওইদিকে আছে করছে দেখো করছে see so just do one thing আরে hello কেটে দিল so see now do one more times devops one dot pim this one no only devops one dot pim huh what happened I just give name dot pim na Please just take this file only. Once I give this file, this got connected with this. With this. Okay. I have time right now. That's okay. I'll just do it once. Go in a second. Just give 1 minute. I just see you can't hear you probably. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, I'll give it over there, na. What manually I just give you it until that. Tell me if you have, if you know what manually I just give over here. Keeper name is already known, but it is taking from here only. See, the first time I just give the na, give that keeper, it is taking this only. If I try manual means how do you do manual? Means you just say from here. Uh, yeah, just use this one. F7 hyphen what? Okay, like this, but it is not okay. Okay, just land dot pem. Okay. Uh, okay, 1 minute. Just what like it? I give LMDB. This one, no? DB. It's loading. Yeah. This is it to slash user at the rate IP. Like this. And just take it to working or not. Hmm. It will be group. I will still right ID. Okay. Style PPC. Focus for PPC AP minus side. PPC. It's not working very much. Same tree over here. Where this is. Okay. Hmm. Okay, it is done. Okay, now let's try with patterns. What? Which one it should be? Okay. With this is the instance running host DB2 connect SSH. Now let's try this if it is working. Because I think the IP PM file is got connected, but okay. Manually I have to check it in the versions. Uh, Outputs Ireland. Okay, Ireland, VPC 68, 120, sorry, 192, 168, 192, 192, 168.0. Yeah, all is okay, okay. There is no issue with that. In VPC also, I think it is only for the slider connection. I think so. Because without that, there is also it is got connected. Yeah, CMD mode, done. All these things are done already. Okay. Mm, it's not be working, but mhm. Yeah, same region is got connected, but in a different region, it's not. Okay. Okay. রাখো খাচ্ছি এখন রাখো হ্যাঁ খাচ্ছি দাঁড়া এক মিনিট আরে দাঁড়াও এই দাঁড়াও 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 দেখতে দেখো ওকে just differ sorry just route tables slide this one yeah okay yeah it is connected with this only this one also connection code Mumbai to direct to pair means okay got it and Ireland if I just go VPC route tables private route tables route subnets is in private okay. Tables edit route this one it is goes to L and VPC pairing connection ID this yeah all the things are correct only yeah why it is not get connected then is there anything I forgot it no okay let me check it once with the chat GPT chat GPT yeah that's it. Mm, continue. Just say C through D. Okay, it cannot be C. Okay, yeah. Uh, if routing security group or not, if you said okay. If it's pairing between the Mumbai islands, it should be active. Okay, it is okay. Then should the route tables means Mumbai VPC route table, add route, destination VPC slider of Ireland, we already give that, and target to VPC pairing connection, we already did that. Then go to the Ireland VPC routing table, okay. Then go in a destination, same Mumbai VPC slider and target to VPC pairing connection, okay. Then check the VPC security group of Ireland DB server. Okay. Give the allow inbound rules in Ireland VPC server to Mumbai slider. Already give that. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, Bastion IP address. Bastion means jump server. Okay, we give the Mumbai slider. No issue. So, okay, then after put the DB port. DB port 360 nice. Put over there. Post. Array DB means okay, okay, okay. Leave it. It is says like DB server means that having the RDS and all. That's why it is says all those things, but we didn't correct with the RDS, so no need of this. Network ACLs, no delay between the VPC, no delay. Okay, NCLs if customized. Okay, no need any customization. DNS endpoint, we no need any endpoint over here. Now important clarification. Local Bastion server to DB server. Okay, done. Bastion server MySQL minus s. No, it is saying that okay. By the way, we just do correction. All those things are got corrected. Okay, all the things are got corrected, but somehow it is not connection is happening. Port number 22. Okay, do one thing. Go in a Ireland DB server and go in a security group. Port number this. Edit the inbound rule. SSH custom all and all traffic goes all. SSH already I okay sorry SSH give to not all. Here we give the customized 190 Mumbai DB server. Yeah. Mumbai DB server means 192 169 I have to give it here. 192.169.0.0/16. Okay. This one we have to give it. Yeah. Done. And this one just change it to anywhere. And then save the changes. Mhm. It is not getting connected. Some for some reason. What the exact reason? I really don't know. Let me check it once. Like, where should I check? Do you have any idea? Anyone, Praveen, Saurabh, where to check? Because in my idea, I just do everything correct. But ChatGPT says the same. But where it is the problem? I think now Ireland's connection sets. Yes, sir. ChatGPT didn't say it actually. Okay. Oh no, so I think somewhere I just did mistake over there. Like, should be this one in this file only, and the next one should be the slider only. Slider means I show you know first time when I just get the VPC, I give the slider to the Mumbai VPC to 168 because that's the very difference between them. I think then the slider, I think I just mistake in the creation of the VPC. That should be the mistake I did. Apart from this, there is no issue in this creation of BPC and after this the process. Okay, no issue. I'll just make a video over that. Okay, and after creating the video, I'll just put it over that or not. I'll just do all those things tomorrow. So today actually they didn't call me right now. I have time until they call me. Just see. Okay, the one thing over here. How many file we have? Uh, okay. Do one thing is. mm, poo, poo, poo. Okay. Is it I just did it once one IP like one that's Ireland IP, then it is working or not? Let's check it. If it is working, then okay, and if it is not, then okay. Let's see if it is working or not. Just delete this one. Yeah, RM remove right production regularity file. Okay, okay, done. And if I do ls, okay, what is it? Remove right production regularity file IP address. Is it I have to give yes? Yeah. Okay. Now if I just run this. Mhm. 71 means uh, okay, I have to do a little bit of troubleshoot over here. Hmm. DB server having the IP of 71. Okay, done. Uh, where did I add the mistakes? Hmm. Uh, okay, ask to chat GPT. This one is given. We don't have any. See, where it says why not it is working mostly for the routing tables or for the security groups. Okay. So in the routing tables, we already see security. We also see. Means it says in the routing tables in a both side, we have to just do this destination as a VPC slider. Yeah, we just did both. I think. Yeah, we just did both. Just do peering, routing table, private routing table, routes. Yeah, we just did give all those things correct. Okay, there is no issue with that. And after that, security group also says to Mumbai 56 slider. Yeah, it is also getting correct as per my evaluation. Then only the where. Okay, I just give one more thing, but I make. আরে দাঁড়া একসাথে হয়ে গেছে একটু দাঁড়া হয়ে গেছে দাঁড়া হুম but I made uh, header of VPC in Mumbai region as 160. Mumbai region what I created? Uh, VPC 168, 192, 169, 190, 160, 192, 169.0.0/16. But in Ireland region, I created the VPC as 192.168.0.0/16. So is that correct? Okay, this is perfectly correct. This is also correct. Okay, not overlapped. And if the records the completely slider is not your issue. A small note on 16. IP address note. Okay, okay, that's I know already. So we can't connect with the check the route tables and security group mostly. But both sorry both SZ and route table are correct also. Ping Ireland IP. Okay, okay, that's a new thing. Okay, ping Ireland IP. Ping dot. Okay, 58 byte of data. What does it mean? What does it mean? Guys, I just did the DND over here. Okay, if you wanted to go, you can, and if you wanted to help me over there, then you can. Okay, because I have like little bit time over here, because there is no issue, because they didn't call me right now. When they call me, I'll just off the class and go. Yeah. I think ping also getting successful over there, because there is no issue in the ping. If screenshot saves, tells a lot. Traffic is not reaching to the island. Okay, coming so definedly network level issues are there. ছানা খাবো না আমি what the heck they just give. See, before I asked that, and right now he says that now we are narrowed down to the really in the route table association. Yeah, route table association also correct. Mm, and Mumbai, go to the Bastion subnet. Bastion subnet. Okay, okay. Check the route table association. Confirm that it should be the VPC pairing.
EC2 subnet router execution. Okay, go in a Bastion server. Okay, means jump server. Okay, okay, there is no issue with that. Subnet execution. Yeah, correct only. Yeah, you can give this only. Edit the subnet association. Yeah, correct only. Correct. Okay, done. Initial blocking. Initial is not getting started actually. I did an did here. No issue, no key issue, no user issue, no issue problem. Then what is the problem? Initial is not the problem. Important. Okay, create the route. Like okay, we just created man. This is route table. Edit. Yeah, we just created. Yeah. Okay, done. Mm. What it says the subnet? Okay. Western subnet. Okay. Edit the route association. Yeah, it is already get connected. Yeah. Just said him the mm, see. Mm, okay. All looks correct, but it is not working. Why? What is happening there? Okay, leave it. I'll just do one more time with the phrase, all those things. Okay. I think there is a issue with this. Like I don't know where. I think slider also not having the issue. Uh, कहाँ पे issue हो सकता है और ये छोड़ के अभी तो मैं अभी थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हूँ कहाँ पे इशू हो सकता है मेरे को लग रहा था स्लाइडर में होगा पर ये चैट जीपीटी बोल रहा है स्लाइडर में भी नहीं होगा मतलब है स्लाइडर में भी कुछ इशू नहीं है फिर कहाँ पे होगा सब चीज तो ठीक ही किया लग तो रहा है भाई, पर पर आइलैंड सिक्योरिटी ग्रुप में आना तो नहीं चाहिए। देखो यहाँ पे जो है ये एसएसएस जो है, एक कनेक्शन दे दिया आपका इसको, बीपीसी को, और राउटर को मतलब आपका मुंबई बीपीसी को, और एक और ट्रैफिक दे दिया ये ऑल आईपीएस। सब तो ठीक है यहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी ग्रुप में। अभी अगर देखो जाए, अगर आपको बीपीसी में दिखाऊं मैं, बीपीसी का जो प्राइवेट आईपीज है जो मेनली करना होता है वो पब्लिक सबनेट में होता है, सॉरी राउट टेबल्स में होता है। पब्लिक राउट टेबल्स में अगर मैं चाहूँ राउट टेबल्स, तो देखो यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी दे दिया हूँ मैं। ये आईपी सिलेक्ट करके आपका मुंबई बीपीसी का पेयरिंग कनेक्शन करके दे दिया हूँ। ये पेयरिंग अगर आपको कनेक्शन चेक करना है वो भी कर सकते हो। कैसे कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे क्लिक करूंगा तो ये सीधा बीबीसी पेयरिंग में जाएगा, और इसमें क्लिक करूंगा तो मुंबई बीबीसी में जाएगा सीधा वो। तो इसका मतलब ओके ओके है इसका। ओके, ये ठीक चल रहा है यहाँ पे, बीबीसी पेयरिंग भी ठीक है इसमें। ओके, ये तो ब्लॉक आईपी रहेगा, ठीक है। फिर तो प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे आ रहा है इसकी। ओके, यहाँ पे एसीएल एक्टिव हुआ है क्या? ओके, ये तो डिफॉल्ट एसीएल है। ये तो डिफॉल्ट एसीएल है, ये तो सब में रहता है। इसमें भी होगा एनएसएल एनएसएल एनएसएल, या डिफॉल्ट एनएसएल तो रहेगा ही इसमें। ठीक है, इसको देखता हूँ बाद में क्या करना पड़ेगा, और एक बार क्रिएट करूंगा इसको, ठीक है। अभी तो मैं निकल लूंगा, अभी कॉल नहीं आया है, पर फिर भी थोड़ा सा मैं खा लेता हूँ, मम्मी बुला रही है तब से। फिर तो ठीक है। हाँ, कॉल कंटिन्यू करते हैं। इसको कनेक्ट तो कनेक्ट करेंगे, इसको कनेक्ट तो करेंगे।